It's me you need to show. What of a party is your love?
I cannot be out and about on a Saturday and going to get my feet done and not stop in the Goodwill. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Saturday, September 13th, and we are just out and about. So we decided we would just come on into the Goodwill right next to the nail salon and take a look at what they have. So I'm in the shoes right now. Honestly, I'm not really seeing anything that is just catching my attention. Nothing to my personal liking. Now, these were some nice boots. I did not like the top part of those, so they did not go with me. And everything else was kind of like mediocre for me. They did have a few other boots that I did like, and these gold shoes were really nice and they fit really nice. The only thing I did not like about them was the way that they felt across the top portion of my foot. Now, these were so cute, so cute. I did try them on, but again, they were not my size, so they did not go home with me. And I loved the patchwork of these. They gave me like a 70s vibe. This right here, beautiful, beautiful lounge, muumuu style type dress. I did get it because I was like, I can do some things with this. Now, this was a two-piece sweater set, crop top with long pencil skirt. I did not get it. It was a size medium, and I asked my daughter if she wanted it. She said no, but I'm kind of thinking that I should have got it for her anyway because I know her. Now, this right here was absolutely gorgeous. This two-piece suit. This coat, y'all, fabulous. I love the color. I love the texture. I love the material. Everything about this was just amazing. However, it was way too big for me. So, unfortunately, I had to leave it there. Now, they had some amazing coats today. Amazing coats. Here in Georgia, it doesn't really get that cold. So these were like 100% wool, London Fog style peacoats. Now, the shirt selection, it was so-so. I did see some things, but I did not get anything. I was really just in here wasting time until they text me to let me know that my appointment was ready. This was really cute, but I did not like the way that it laid on me, so I left it there. But this was exactly what I was looking for. Unfortunately, it was just way too long for me, but the patchwork on the elbows and the texture and everything is exactly what I've been looking for. So I will just keep searching until I get one that suits me and my vision. But they did have a lot of nice blazers in the men's section today, but I did not get anything. Now, these jeans, I wanted them so bad, but they just wouldn't button, and I just cannot be uncomfortable. This right here was a Lucky Brand jumpsuit. Now, it was really cute, but I left it there. I didn't really get a whole lot on this trip today. Like I said, I was really just wasting time until my number was being called at the nail salon. So I didn't really have any real intentions. I like to be an intentional shopper, and I didn't have any real intentions. Now, I thought this was a very cute vintage little set, but I left it in there. It's good for hosting, but I didn't feel the need to get it. Now, this was a beautiful storage shed, or what do you call this? Just a storage cabinet, I guess. But anyway, it was really, really heavy, solid wood. All of these dressers, Revamp City. I mean, whatever, however, whenever. If you are into that, this blue that someone did, gorgeous. But they had some really nice vintage dressers that you could really just do some amazing things with. Now, I was specifically looking at this, and these is what I needed, but they only had one. Well, that concludes the shopping for today. They had some cute stuff. Some of the things that I really wanted were either too big or too small. So I only ended up with one thing, which was perfect because I had been contemplating ordering it off Amazon for $30. So I copped it for $6. So I'm happy. I will show you later. Happy Saturday. Now I can go get my feet done, which is what I came to do in the first place. Bye. Feet all done, walking slowly to the car so that I can head home and get dressed. It's the bulldog type of day. Look at my earrings and my fabulous little dollar scarf.